Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be solving the question number 2422, which is finding the position of substring in a string. Let's understand what this question is asking. Let's suppose this is the particular string and we need to find this particular substring and its indexes in the particular main string. So if we note it over here, we are starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, like that we are starting. So that's why the first occurrence it's happening at index 2, then it is moving till index 9. That's how it's happening. So it's pretty straightforward and easy question, and if there is no occurrence then we need to return -1. That's how this particular question is framed. It's pretty simple. We will use the index of function to get the location of the index in that, to get the location of that substring in that main string. So let's start. We'll be needing list, so let's import that for library from the utils. Let's declare that particular list where we are going to store all the values. Let's call it index list, and then we'll just declare it. Once we have done that one, first we need to see whether this particular value, whether that string contains the substring or not. So if it is not containing, let's return -1 in the array itself. So for that one we can write, if the string does not contains the substring, then we need to return, in that case, this one we can do it. And if it is existing, then we need to add those values in the list and then return it as an array. So first we'll add those values in the list and then we'll convert it to array and then return it. So first we can write while statement. So how we will frame our logic over here: if that index is there, so if this particular index we are finding at location 2, then we need to find at location 9. So let's say we found the first, when we ran the function it gave us an output to index of. So if we start searching after this particular one, the whole string, it will give the answer as 2. So the same logic we will use. Let's declare the index starting position as 0, and then we can store the index and increase its counter value, and then we can find out the index values and store it in the array. So for that we just need to write str.index of. In this one we just need to pass the substring that we need to find it, and if we give the location from where we want to search it, we will get the index from that particular location. So this is very useful parameter over here, and let's just say if it is not equal to -1, then we need to continue this loop. What we will do over here, we will just add that index which we have just finding here. We'll just add it. So for that one, in the index list, we'll add the index. After we are added that, we just need to increase the index value. We can increase since we find this value. Let's just understand this logic also one more time. So let's say this is the value. We find the index at location 2. We just need to increase the value +2, which is the length of the substring. And from the 4th of index, we start searching the string again. So index of, for the second run, it will look something like, and the its starting position, which is 4th. So from the 4th location, it will start searching again. So that's what we need to write. So what we need to do, we just need to add the length of the substring that we already found. So for that particular one, we just need to add the length. So this part is done. After that, we have created that list. We just need to convert it to the array. So we can simply do it using streams. We just need to map it, and then we just need to make it into an array and store it. So let's say int result is our answer, and return it. Let's run it. Okay, so here there's a typo over here on contains part. Here it has to be str. Index. Okay, we have not declared the data type. And it's running. Let's submit it. So it's getting accepted. We can do it without stream. If you're not comfortable in stream, we can do it like this also. We can simply start by iterating the array, this particular list. And create a result array. Which we can mention it over here. Let's declare it with the size, this one. We can mention like this also, since we are using the same value more than one time, we can save it in a variable. After that, we just need to add the values in the array one by one. And we'll just get the value of that particular index and then put it, and then return it. So return part is same, so we just need to change this particular value and it will also get submitted. That is also getting submitted. So if you find this video insightful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.